Live farm-raised ducks are carefully received inside a controlled industrial factory intake area to begin structured meat processing.
Each duck undergoes calm visual health inspection to ensure only suitable animals proceed into controlled food-grade processing stages.
Ducks are briefly rested in clean holding pens to stabilize movement and prepare for orderly processing flow. Clean, potable water systems are activated to support hygienic processing and controlled feather removal operations.
Food-grade ice is produced and staged to rapidly chill duck meat during later freshness stabilization steps.
Empty transport crates are thoroughly washed using potable water to maintain strict hygiene before reuse.
Stainless steel conveyor systems are carefully inspected to ensure smooth, uninterrupted movement during processing. Processing workers complete final protective equipment checks to ensure safe and hygienic meat handling conditions. The intake gate is aligned and prepared to guide ducks smoothly into the controlled processing sequence. The processing line begins moving, signaling the transition from intake preparation into active duck handling.
Live ducks are calmly guided onto the processing line to maintain orderly and humane handling conditions.
Each duck is briefly stabilized at a handling station to ensure precise alignment before processing continues.
Potable water sprays gently loosen feathers, preparing ducks for efficient and hygienic feather removal.
Rotating components remove loosened feathers efficiently, while maintaining controlled and hygienic processing.
Secondary cleaning removes remaining feathers, ensuring ducks are fully prepared for carcass washing. Cleaned ducks enter the washing tunnel, where controlled water flow removes remaining surface contaminants.
Potable water thoroughly washes each duck carcass to ensure consistent cleanliness before cutting. Washed duck carcasses are visually inspected to confirm cleanliness before precise cutting begins.
Clean carcasses are conveyed smoothly into the cutting area for precise portion separation. Cutting stations are prepared as carcasses arrive for care separation into defined meat portions.
A cleaned duck carcass is carefully positioned on a stainless table for precise meat portioning.
A precise incision begins separating the duck breast while preserving natural structure and surface quality. The skin-on duck breast fillet is removed whole, revealing the exact raw meat form.
The duck leg quarter is cleanly separated at the joint, forming a defined raw meat portion.
Each breast fillet is visually inspected to confirm skin quality and natural fat distribution.
Excess surface fat is carefully trimmed to maintain consistent breast fillet quality. Breast fillets are manually checked to ensure no bone fragments remain inside the meat. Leg joints are refined with precise cuts to produce clean, defined duck leg portions. Separated duck portions are individually placed to preserve shape and prepare for further handling. Cutting tables are rinsed with potable water to maintain hygiene between processing cycles. Separated duck portions move steadily along stainless conveyors toward consistency verification stations.
Additional duck carcasses are broken down, using the same precise cutting method for uniform production.
Cut duck portions are visually compared to ensure consistent size and natural shape. Approved duck portions are aligned evenly to maintain smooth downstream inspection flow.
Any non-conforming duck portion is quietly removed to preserve overall product quality. Only approved duck portions are grouped carefully to continue hygienic processing without shape distortion.
Surface texture and muscle grain are visually confirmed to ensure natural raw meat quality. Natural surface moisture is visually confirmed as an indicator of fresh, raw duck meat.
Approved duck portions advance smoothly toward the washing line for final surface cleaning.
Duck meat portions reach the wash line entrance, ready for controlled final rinsing.
Raw duck portions enter the open wash tunnel in clear view for final surface rinsing.
Potable water flows evenly over duck portions to remove residual surface moisture and debris.
A gentle hand adjustment maintains spacing, while duck portions continue washing without shape change. Washed duck portions exit the tunnel, with excess water draining naturally from surfaces.
An open ice bath is prepared as washed duck portions approach for rapid chilling.
Raw duck portions enter an open ice bath to begin rapid and controlled chilling. Gentle circulation chills duck portions evenly while preserving natural shape and surface quality. Duck portions briefly stabilize in cold water to lock in freshness and firmness. Chilled duck portions exit the ice bath as excess water drains naturally away. Excess surface water drips away, leaving chilled duck portions clean and ready for inspection. Chilled duck portions move along a mesh conveyor to allow airflow and continued surface drying. Final alignment checks ensure duck portions move evenly into inspection without distortion. Chilled duck portions are lightly checked to confirm firm texture after temperature stabilization. Color consistency across duck portions is visually confirmed under controlled lighting.
Skin and fat layers are checked to ensure intact attachment on each duck portion.
Chilled duck portions are transferred onto inspection tables for final quality confirmation.
Portion spacing is reset on inspection tables to maintain airflow and clear visual access. Conveyors advance slowly to allow careful final inspection of duck portions.
Consistent lighting ensures accurate visual inspection of duck meat quality.
Duck portions advance toward quality control for final approval before packaging.
Each duck breast fillet is individually inspected to confirm surface quality and uniform thickness.
Duck leg quarters are individually checked to confirm intact joints and natural skin attachment.
Any duck portion with skin damage is quietly removed to protect overall product quality.
Approved duck portions are placed onto the final conveyor for controlled progression onward. Selected duck portions are briefly held for random quality observation before rejoining the line.
Fresh ice is applied beneath the line to maintain optimal temperature during final quality handling.
Conveyors. Workers sanitize gloves to maintain strict hygiene during continuous duck meat handling.
Clean open trays are staged and aligned to prepare for visible duck portion filling. Final moisture checks confirm duck portions are fresh and ready for tray placement.
Natural shape consistency is confirmed immediately before duck portions enter open packaging trays.
Each duck portion is visually checked to confirm uniform color without any surface discoloration.
Fat thickness is visually confirmed to ensure consistent quality across all duck portions.
Bone presence is confirmed to ensure correct structure in breast fillets and leg portions.
Final visual approval confirms duck portions meet all quality standards.
Approved duck portions move forward toward open tray filling for visible packaging. Approved duck portions approach the filling area, where open trays await visible placement. Empty open trays are aligned precisely beside the conveyor to receive duck portions.
Tray interiors are visually confirmed clean before receiving raw duck portions.
The conveyor is positioned directly above open trays to allow clear and controlled portion placement. The first duck portion reaches the open tray, beginning the visible filling process.
An empty open tray is clearly shown positioned and ready to receive raw duck meat.
A raw duck breast fillet is placed directly into an open tray with full visibility.
A duck leg quarter is added into the open tray beside the breast fillet.
The filled tray is aligned to maintain smooth spacing along the conveyor. The filled tray is visually confirmed, with duck portions fully visible and correctly placed.
A second empty tray is positioned clearly to receive another set of raw duck portions.
A fresh set of duck breast and leg portions is placed into an open tray. Each tray is checked to confirm the correct and consistent number of duck portions.
Filled trays are aligned evenly to prepare for the next packaging stage. Trays remain completely open, with duck portions fully visible before sealing begins.
A tray is gently repositioned to maintain smooth flow without disturbing the duck portions. Open trays filled with duck portions move steadily toward the sealing station.
Open trays are inspected from above to confirm clear visibility before sealing begins. Natural surface moisture remains visible on duck portions just before sealing. Trays remain single-layered with no stacking as they enter the sealing process. Filled open trays move slowly and steadily into the sealing zone, with contents fully visible. A clear plastic film roll is positioned to begin sealing while trays remain open and visible. Open trays queue in order as they approach the sealing rollers. Clear film drapes over the open tray while duck portions remain fully visible.
The film rests loosely on the tray just before heat sealing begins.
The tray makes initial contact with the heat sealing surface to begin secure packaging.
Uniform pressure seals the film securely along the tray rim.
It marquemes. The clear film tight.
The sealed tray exits the station with duck portions clearly visible inside.
Each sealed tray is visually checked to confirm complete and secure film attachment.
Additional trays pass through the same heat sealing process to ensure consistent packaging quality.
Clear film remains unprinted and transparent, keeping duck portions fully visible.
Sealed trays advance smoothly along the conveyor toward carton loading.
Sealed trays are grouped carefully in preparation for placement into cartons. Product visibility through clear film is confirmed before trays enter cartons.
Another tray completes sealing, with duck portions clearly visible inside.
Sealed trays remain completely unlabeled, with clear film showing the duck portions.
Sealed trays move steadily toward the carton loading area for outer packaging.
An open carton is positioned to receive sealed trays, while contents remain visible.
A sealed tray is placed into an open carton, with the duck portions still visible. Sealed trays continue moving toward open cartons for careful outer packaging. The carton remains fully open while sealed trays are added inside.
Another sealed tray is placed into the open carton, with contents still visible.
Carton closure is prepared only after sealed trays are fully placed inside.
The carton is closed securely, completing outer packaging of duck meat trays.
Closed cartons pass through a sealing station to prepare for stable pallet handling. Sealed cartons are stacked evenly onto pallets for secure handling and storage.
Clear wrap begins securing the palletized cartons for stable transport.
The pallet is fully wrapped to secure cartons during handling and movement.
A forklift approaches the wrapped pallet to begin warehouse transfer.
The wrapped pallet is carefully lifted for controlled movement within the warehouse.
The pallet is transported through warehouse aisles toward controlled storage. The pallet enters cold storage to maintain freshness before dispatch. The pallet is placed onto storage racks for organized cold holding. Stored pallets await dispatch inside organized cold storage facilities. Stored pallets are retrieved carefully from cold storage racks for final dispatch preparation. The pallet moves through the dispatch lane toward the loading dock. The loading dock is prepared as the truck door opens for pallet loading.
The wrapped pallet is loaded smoothly into the refrigerated truck.
The truck door closes securely, completing the loading process.
The loaded truck departs the dock, beginning distribution of finished duck meat.
Finished duck meat leaves the factory grounds under controlled dispatch conditions. Sealed duck meat pallets are secured inside the refrigerated truck for transport. The shipment exits the warehouse, marking the end of factory processing. And this is how modern factories produce duck meat from start to finish. The processing line resets after completing a full production and dispatch cycle. With production complete, workers leave the floor as systems stand ready. The factory remains clean, orderly, and ready for the next production cycle.
The pallet area stands clear after completed storage and shipment.
The factory exterior reflects completion after a full production cycle. Operations pause as the facility completes another production run. The production line comes to rest after completing processing.
The dispatch gate closes after successful shipment completion.
This concludes the complete factory production process.